Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having a great day. Today I want to talk about my very first Boxyluxe. I signed up for BoxyCharm actually in May. Now I did get May's box, but I didn't have enough time to do a review on it. So I'm going to try it for a couple of months and just see if I actually like it. So this is my first one. This is June's. And so let's get started and open this baby up. Alright, so we are going to dive right into this box and we're going to see what's inside and if it's worth your money. Alright, so first things first, it comes with a card, so it's called BoxyCharm Getaway. So on the back, as you can see here, it just gives you a little description of the products that are inside there, how much they're worth, where they come from, and of course each one of them has a hashtag. So first things first is this baggie here. So there's the bag. Now this is the PYT Mini Turbo On The Go Blow Dryer. So it gives you a little limited warranty there. Also comes with this little standard booklet, manual, how to clean it, how to take care of it, which is nice. So here it is here, and it comes in, of course, really nice bubble wrap. Oh. And it is very soft, like to the touch. It's beautiful, and there it is there. So it also has a reset. That's interesting, look at that. So that's your plug-in, and it has a reset button on it, which is neat. So it comes with two diffusers, so of course your tiny little one, like that. And then it comes with your, I don't even know what you would call this one here, but that one I use, you know, to kind of give me body, so it'll be like underneath, like that. In the back, there's a little convenient filter that just pops off like that. You clean that when you need to, you pop it back on. So it is actually a nice little dryer. It is quite small. Let's see how good it works, right? Because sometimes, like I have a small dryer that, it does work, but it's not very powerful. In my hair, I've got such thick hair that if I don't have a really good blow dryer, I could be there for an hour trying to blow dry my hair. So let's plug this in. So there it is on the low setting. On the low setting is where I'd use my diffuser just to give me some, you know, some volume and lift in my hair. Let's try it on the stronger setting. Ooh. Oh, I like that. I'll definitely be taking that one along with me. I can fix my hair now when I go on my trips. All right, the next thing in the box is Living Proof Full Dry Volume Blast. So that's that there. Living Proof Full Dry Volume Blast. So it says make some room on your vanity for your new Living Proof Full Proof. I don't know why I can't say that word, proof. For your new Living Proof Full Dry Volume Blast, this styling spray creates instant volume and texture that's almost as light as air for big lasting results on dry hair. So if it works like that, that's what I need, because my hair, I'll put hairspray on it and within a half hour it's like it's not even there. It offers UV protection, is silicone free and safe for colored and chemically treated hair. Nice. Okay, now this one here is worth $29 retail. So that's the next thing in the box. Next we have the Clean Biotic pH Balanced Yogurt Cleanser with chlorophyll. Chlorophyll? Oh, my camera is not liking this whiteness. There it is there. So it says Dr. Brandt Clean Biotic pH Balanced Yogurt Cleanser with chlorophyll. I don't know if I like the chlorophyll part. Okay, powered by a biotic balancing complex, this prebiotic multitasking cleanser yogurt melts away grime, makeup, and excess oil for skin that is hydrated and never stripped. Lets the plants do the dirty work. I gotta see about chlorophyll. Okay, since I am not educated on chlorophyll, when I first saw that, I was just like, I don't want to put that on my skin. What the heck, right? Okay, So what it says is the chlorophyll that's in this skincare, it's actually a cleanser. It fights acne and clears breakouts. So this would be good for somebody who has a problem with their skin, with breakouts and pimples and that. So as pimples are basically made up of dead skin oil and bacteria, chlorophyll helps fight breakouts and also helps reduce skin inflammation. Oh my goodness, you know, like if somebody had told me that you can put chlorophyll on your skin, I would have told you were nuts, like nuts, right? Okay. This is why a number of antibacterial soaps and anti-blemish products consist of chlorophyll. I honestly did not know that. So there you go, folks. So this would be good for acne-prone skin. I'm going to give this to somebody that actually suffers from that and see how that person, if it works really good for that person. If you'd like an update later on, just let me know on how this actually performs. I will let you know. So the next thing in the box is the Honeymoon Glow AHA Resurfacing Night Serum. So that's this one here. There, like that. How am I going to get this open? Oh, I use a pen, I guess. Why did they do that to... There we go. All right. I just opened it from the bottom so I could actually get it out. All right. So there it is there in its little bottle. So we're going to just put it on my skin here. See how it smells. I love serums for my skin and I'm always willing to try new things, but it doesn't. There it is there, the serum. So it kind of looks like a cream. Honestly, it doesn't smell at all. The Honeymoon Glow Night Serum here is retails for $58. Whew. And that is for 30 mils or equivalent to 1 fluid ounce. So that's quite pricey. I'm hoping it's good. I'm going to try this out later and just see how it does. Yeah, so every night. So night cream. So again, if you want to know how it worked out, how it's working, if it's good, I will definitely let you know. All right, the next thing in the box, of course, is the Dominic Cosmetics. This one here is a lemonade lip gloss. So I will open that for you. I'm not going to use it because actually I already have one of these. So I'm probably just gonna put this one in a giveaway. I do like these lip glosses. They are not very pigmented. They're pretty much clear, but they give just a little hint of the color that you see. So there it is there. I'm gonna put this one back in the box, as you can see, because I already have one. And I will show you what that looks like. Just on the back of my hand because I've already got my lips done. So this one is called Peach Tea and that's it there. So you can see that it has just a tiny bit of pigment in it, which brings a natural look to your lips, which is what I like. But because I already have this one is going to go in a giveaway. So next in the box is no pore blem. I can't even say that. No pore blem prime essence. No pore blem. Oh my god, like seriously, this is gonna be a problem video. No pore blem prime essence. Okay, there we go. Let your makeup stay a while with your new Touch in Soul No Pore Blem Prime Essence infused with calendula. Oh my goodness. Infused with calendula officinalis flower extract. Oh my goodness, that was hard. I don't even know if I pronounced that right. This primer tightens up your pores, keeping your skin silky smooth. All right, so there it is there, out of the box. And as you can see, it has a weird top. Oh, well, let's give it a try. Oh, so it's jelly-like there, so you can see that it's very clear. You can barely smell it. So that's it there, going on my skin. So this is a little bit of a watery primer, so a little bit can actually go a long way on your skin. You just need a little tiny drop to go to do your whole face. So we're just gonna leave that there because I put a little drop. Well, okay, it just came out a little bit more than it came out a little bit more than I expected to do, but look, I can still, like, it's spreading all over, so you really don't need a lot of this product. Next thing on my list is Greengrass Summer in Nice Hand and Body Butter. Drench your body in moisture it deserves with Greengrass Hand and Body Butter. It's free of parabens, artificial colors, petroleum, and mineral oil, and never tested on animals. That's nice. I like that. So there, that one is there. So we're gonna give that one a try. Oh, that smells nice. Just took a little bit, not much. Just put it on. Kind of has a slight little scent to it, like coconut, but very, 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 very subtle. You can barely smell it, but it is nice and soft. Feels good. Okay, this one here is the Trestique Good Vibes Mascara. There it is there. So it says, treat your lashes to the ultimate curling, lengthening, and volumizing fun with your new Trestique Good Vibes Mascara. This all-in-one lash curler tool plus lash enhancing mascara gives you everything you need to take your lashes to the next level. It's the first of its kind, and you know what? I've actually never seen one, but I live up in the country where we don't get much here, so if you've seen it, let me know down below if you've actually seen this, but I've never seen this. Use curler plus mascara together to curve lashes up to 186%. Nice. We're just gonna see what it looks like on the inside because honestly, I have never seen anything like this. Okay, so there it is there. That is different. So basically, you just pull this down. So you curl your lashes. You just put your lashes in there and you pull that down and it's supposed to curl your lashes. Okay, so that's the curler. And this obviously is the mascara. And you know what? It's got a nice mascara applicator. That's pretty good. I like it. I'm very interested in seeing how this is going to work. Now this one here retails for $25 on their website. Now last but not least, of course, is the new Tarteist Pro Glow 3, your face palette. So let's have a look at that. Now this one here retails for $45. And since I have a lot of face products already, I am going to package this one back up and it's also going to go in a giveaway. It's beautiful, but I just have too many already. So that is that one. So if you were going to go out and purchase each one of these products on their own, you would pay $341 for all of those products. I paid $49.99 for that whole big box. And the value of the box is $341 total, what's in the box, if you bought all these products separately. So, yes, you are getting a deal if you like that kind of thing. Now, the Boxy Charm is $21 per month, and that one comes, every month for you. I will leave all the information about Boxyluxe and Boxy Charm below for you. You can go check it out for yourself. I hope you enjoyed today's video and the Boxyluxe. If you guys would like to see any review on the products that are in this box, then please let me know. I am going to be using some of them, like the hairspray, the body butter. I'm going to definitely try the Pore from Sol, the No Pore Blem Essence from Sol. I'm going to try that one, so I will definitely pull a video together for you like that. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and I hope to see you next week.